Okay, I'm creating one more CDS view here. Click on next button, and I'm selecting define view. Click on finish button. So SQL view name ZAOH2 underscore SQL 11. Okay, fine. And I want to pick something data from I will consider from KN event table. Nor name 1 vert 01 land 1 land 1, and here I want to concatenate the customer number and the customer name. So for that one, we have one function like uh, concat. Here I want to concatenate Punar and name one. I will give something name as and the customer. Okay, so I'm just concatenating the customer number and the name here, and I want to get to know some length of some name one. Okay, LGTH length of the name one. Yes. Okay, let me activate it and execute it. It's activated now. I'm executing it. So that the customer column is concatenating the customer number and customer name as well. Both it is concatenating, and the length here. If you see the customer name, domestic US customer 10 something is coming, so it is taking some 23 characters. And coming to the US, it is taking 2 characters only. So so how much length it is outpaying here? So that length is showing here. Okay, in the length name one column. Fine. Now, if you see here, the customer number and customer name, there is no space, right? I want to give something space here. So for that one, what can we do? Concat with space. Okay, and I will give something here one. So what I'm telling to the system, I want to concatenate Kunar and name one, and by giving one space, one character space, I want to give here. Activate it and execute it. Let me check how the data is coming. See, something space is coming. One character space is coming. At the same time, I will give something space like 3 or 5. I mean, 5 characters space I want to give here, and activate it and execute it. How it is coming? 5 character space is coming or not? See, the space is coming. Okay, in between of customer and name one, 5 character space is coming here. Okay, so this is the way to concatenate the fields, and in the output for customer numbers, it is coming like some leading zeros, right? here some double zero and here triple zero, here all zeros, three triple zero, something is coming here, right? But my requirement is I don't want to add the leading zeros to the customer number. So for that one, we have something, some function modules, conversion exit alpha input output function modules we will use to add and remove the leading zeros, right? And coming to open SQL statement, we have to use some field name is equal to alpha and the field name in or out like that we have to use. And in the select query itself, I want to remove the leading zeros, but at that time, so I can go for L trim. Okay, trimming. I'm trimming from left side onwards. So for which field I'm trimming? For customer number Punar. And what I am trimming here? Zeros. I don't want to zeros here. Now activate it, execute it. See, the leading zeros are not coming here. And there is no option like to add leading zeros. Okay, to remove the zeros option is there in the select query. And if you want to add the leading zeros using select query, there is no option. We have to use the alpha field name and in like that we have to use. Okay, fine. And the same way how we are using the L trim, in the same way we can use the R trim also. R trim means it will remove the leading zeros from the right side onwards. Okay, L trim means it will remove the leading zeros from the left side onwards. R trim, it will opposite. It will remove leading zeros from right side onwards. Okay, so this is the some concatenating, some finding length. And so we already discussed a few things like upper, lower, these all things we already discussed in the OpenSQL. Same, we can apply here also. Upper of name one, I am just maintaining. Okay, and what is the error here? Let me check. Name one is unknown. Is it? Sorry, spelling mistake. Fine, activate it, execute it. See, the name is converting into uppercase, the total name. And in the same way, if you want to convert in the lower case, then you have to use the lower of and the field name like that you have to use here. And I want to pick some 5 characters from left side. Okay, it is containing something. Name one means it will contain up to 35 characters, but I don't want all the characters. I want to pick only 5 characters from left side onwards. So at that time, left off, I'm writing like name one, comma 5. Yes, and the field name I'm just maintaining left name. Okay, now activate it and execute it. How the data is picking here. See here, this is domestic US customer 10, but here it is picking only 5 characters. First 5 character DOMES, and after that one it is not picking anything here. And here it is the 2 characters only, so it will pick 2 characters. And coming to this one, training for HANA sales. So TRAIN, like that it is coming. Only 5 characters it is picking here. Okay, this is the left function. In the same way, right function also is there. So if you want to pick 5 characters from right side onwards, then you have to use the right here. Here I'm not writing all the things, but the option is there, left and right like that. Okay, and I have one more option like LPAD. Okay, LPAD of name one comma. I want to display it in 40 characters, and remaining I want to display something SJF. So we already discussed, right, this L pad and R pad like that. So let me activate and execute, then you can see the difference here. Okay, it is coming too much. I will do one thing here. I will take 10 only, because 40 characters it is picking here, but I don't want that much of length. So I am just taking 10 characters only. Now execute it. If you see here, for this one, there is no change. I mean, the domestic and after that one U is coming, because it is allowing only 10 characters. The syntax I have mentioned, like, okay, here, where is this one? The LPAD. So in the LPAD, what I'm maintaining, name one I need to consider, and 10 characters only I need to consider, like that I'm telling to the system. And that is why it is picking only 10 characters here. Okay, 10 characters only. And coming to the next one, US is there. So for this one also, it will consider 10 characters, but US is the 2 characters only, and remaining space. Okay, 8 characters are there, right? So for that 8 characters, it is auto filling SJF. You see here, SJF, SJF, and SJUS. Okay, so how much space is there? 8 characters is remaining space is there. So for that remaining space, it is filling with SJF. SJF will repeat here. That's what I am mentioning here. Okay, 10 characters it will allow, and the name one is 2 characters only, US, and remaining 8 characters SJF, right? So SJF 3 characters, one more time SJF 3 characters, total 6 characters. And SJ was coming, 2 characters, total 8 characters, and US is the 2 characters, total 10 characters. Okay, so like that it will pick the data. The same way, RPAD also. Okay, it will quite opposite to LPAD. It will, I mean, it will pick the customer name, and it will add the this AJF from right side onwards. So instead of this LPAD, I am just maintaining the RPAD here. Just activate and execute it once. RPad, and click on F8 button, and we can see something here. Domestic U, it is considering only, it is more than 10 characters, so it is picking up to 10 characters only. And if you see this one, US is coming fast, and after that one, AJF, AJF, AJ is adding here. Means, so for this value, US, right side it is adding, because RPad. So if we maintain LPAD, so for this value, it will add left side the SJF. So that is the difference, LPAD and RPAD here. Okay. And some conversions are there, like, I will create one more CDS view here for conversions. So new data definition, and here the name ZAOH2 underscore CDS pulse testing, and next finish. And ZAOH2 underscore SQL 12. Okay, and fine. And here I am picking something data from ZVBAK. Okay, and here VBELN I am maintaining, and NETWR I am just taking, and after that one, um, where is it? Just open it. The table ZVBAK I am just opening, and click on no button. So it is displaying something VBELN, and something NETWR and WERK. Okay. So it is displaying like this. My requirement is I want to convert this USD dollars into INR. That is the requirement. So for your INR, not required. So whatever the value is coming, that value will come as it is. But USD, not only USD, any currency is there. Okay, some dinars and diras and euros, whatever it is, the currency, I want to convert that currency into Indian currency. So now what I have to do? So WAERK, this is one more field from this table. And I want to convert, right? The NETWR, I want to convert into Indian currency. For that one, we have one function here. Okay. The function is currency conversion. Currency is you, okay, fine. Click on control space button. Currency conversion is coming. Click on enter button. So it's came like this. This is the function. And click on one more time control plus space and shift enter. So automatically the predefined code is coming here. Okay, fine. I will. Okay, fine. Now here, what is the amount field here? The amount field is NETWR, right? So we need to mention that one NETWR. NETWR is the amount field and the source currency. Source currency is WERK. It may be some USD or Euro, whatever it is. The source is this one, WERK. So that field also I'm maintaining it here. WERK, fine. Now I want to convert this currency into Indian currency INR, right? So at that time we need to mention this one in the like this INR. Okay, fine. INR I'm maintaining in the single quotation and the capital letters you have to maintain. Don't give any small letters like that. Sometimes it will throw error. Fine. Now exchange date. So the currency may be different day to day. Okay, and so I need to provide the day here. Okay, I want to execute this report on 31st of January. Okay, end of the month. So at that time, on the 31st, what is the rate? Okay, so what is the rate? For one USD, 73 rupees or 80 rupees like that, it will be there. So I need to convert that USD to INR. So on that particular day, if I execute this view today, so what is the today's currency? Okay, so for one USD, so 70 or 76 something will be there, 76 rupees will be there. So automatically it has to convert into Indian currency. So like that. So here I'm giving something today's date. Okay, today's date. I'm not hard coding it here. If we hard code this one, then if we execute this view, it will consider on that day only. But I don't want like that. I want to consider when the report, when the view is executing on that day, what is the value? So that value you need to calculate here. So system date I'm taking here. Okay, not current date. System date I'm maintaining it here. So dollar session dot system date is there. So if you use this one, the system automatically will pick the current date, today's date. If we execute today, today's date it will pick. If I execute tomorrow, tomorrow date it will pick. Automatically it will pick like that. And it is showing something error. Let me check here. So what it is, an alias name must. Okay, fine. I will give something alias name for this one. So CURR INR currency. Yes, Indian currency. No, let me check something error is there. Currency conversion parameter target currency has incorrect data type char. Okay, fine. So what it is telling here, I'm maintaining something INR, right? But this INR is the character data type. By default, character data type will be there. But this currency will be not like that. Currency, the data type will be CURR, something will be there, right? Or uh, CURR and CUKY. CURR means something currency value, some 1,000 or 2,000. The value will be for that one. The data type will be CURR. And the currency type like INR, USD, and Euro. For these things, the data type is the CUKY. So I need to convert this INR to the CUKY data type. For that one, what I will do, I will convert it. So we already discussed about casting. Okay, casting from one data type to another data type we can convert. We find INR. So as abab.cuky of 5. Something error, syntax error. Let me check something. I forgot to write cast here. Now let me check something error is there. Function parameter exchange date only expressions literals commas parameters can be passed. Okay. And here I have mentioned something here like this. Okay. Let me do one thing here also. I will, the system is date is coming like, fine, this is correct only. Let me convert into something dots like that because here I'm converting. So by default, it is coming like INR character, right? So I am converting into CUKY data type, and for this one also, let me convert this one, cast off this one, and as, and this is the date field. So for the date field, we can write like above dot dots. Okay, above dot dots. Fine. Um, I think one more brace is required. Yeah, one more brace is required here. Yeah, that is why it is showing something error. Okay, fine. I am giving something, currently date, but I need to tell the system this is the date format. Okay, date format you need to convert. Externally, I am writing this one. So otherwise, it is showing something error message. And something warning is there. What is this one? Cast expression to identify. Fine, no issue. This one, this is correct only. And let me save it, activate it. It's activated. Okay, activated. Now execute it here. See, this is the zero. Zero is coming fine. And this is the 1160 USD is there. So it is converting like this. Okay. And 2000 is there. 2000 is converting into something 1,48,000 something value it is converting into INR. USD to INR. And if you want to display something, the currency like that, this is the INR, right? And in currency, converted currency. Now activate it, execute the program. Sorry, execute the view here. And now this is the 11,600 USD is converting into 858400 INR. Okay, and if you come here, INR is there, 144,000 is there, and here also 144,000. This is not converting anything. So other than INR currency, that value only converting into INR. Okay, so this is the way to convert from one currency to another currency, and in the same way we can convert the unit of measurements also. For example, I have something, uh, a quantity that is coming in a some liters. So if I want to convert into milliliters, the same way how we are doing this one. Okay, so I'm just writing the function, that's it. I'm not mentioning any field here. Okay, and here unit unit conversion. See, unit conversion, what is the quantity field and what is the source unit and what is the target unit. So these all things, there is no date, exchange date. Date is not required for this, unit conversion. The date is required for only currency conversion, not for unit conversion. So we have to mention these three things, and at that time the unit will convert into our required, unit of measurement. Okay, I'm not using, you have to practice on that one. Fine, and activate it. So this is the way to convert the currency. Fine, and I have one more requirement, like um, okay, this is the, okay, fine. Let me open the table here. Okay, fine, year name. Here I'm not taking any, okay, here's a deity. Let me check the table here, and I want to add something, AUDAT field also. So here what I will do, I will add the field AUDAT. Document date is coming, and save it. So adjust the database table, utilities, database object, and database utility, and click on activate and adjust database, and click on S button. Activated, and now I want to AUDAT. I am giving something date 10.10.2020. AUDAT is coming like this, 10.10.AUDAT, and here for the sales document number 2, I am giving something date. You can save button. So I am giving the date for 2 records, sales document number 1 and 2. So for this one, I want to get know some different. I mean, what is the today's date? 21/20/23, right? So a current date minus the AUDAT date. Okay. So the number of days, how many days are there in between of current date and the sales order date? Okay, number of days I want to calculate. For that one, come here. So we have one function like dots, days between. Okay, so what is the day one and what is the day two here? So day one is the current date, right? So I will mention like session date dollar system date minus the day two. The day two, here I have to mention like AUDAT, and here also I will mention AUDAT here as number of days. Is there any mistake? Syntax error? So, okay, dots, days between action one, one, only expressions letters was all fine. I will convert it here. Let me convert by using casting here, casting of as Now there is no issue here. Directly I'm using something session dot system date, then automatically the system is considering like character data type. So I want to convert this character data type to date format. That is why I'm using casting here. I'm converting one data type into date data type. Now activate and execute it. How it is coming, let me check. Click on F8 button and we can see something, number of days. Okay, here something invalid number is coming, fine, no issue. And here if we can see, where is AUDAT? AUDAT is coming like this one. Okay? AUDAT is coming like 2020-10-10, and today's date is 2023 20 and 1. So it will do the, I mean, in between of these 2 days, 8 I mean 832 days are there. And for this one, sales order number 2, 748 days is there in between of current date and uh, I mean 02/01/2021. Okay, and here this is invalid data because I am not giving any date. 0000 is coming, so it is not. This is the invalid data. Don't consider this one. But in real time, we should pass the AUDAT. Otherwise, the data will not save in the table level. Okay, the data is saving the table level means at the time the date must and should be saved. This is the dummy data, so it is coming some invalid data here. But coming here, the date, it is doing something calculation here. Okay, fine. Now, what I want to do, number of days, how many number of days, that is okay, fine. Now, I want to, I want to add something days. Okay, I want to add something days. So, where is the, so here, 10/10/2020 is there. So, I want to add some 30 days, okay, or 35 days to this date. How it will come? 35 days, I want to add here. So, let me add 35 days here. So, dots add days, control plus space shift enter. So date is AUDAT, the date, and the number of days. How many days we want to add here? 35 days I want to add here. 35, and the no error. Error, if you want to, I mean, if any error is coming, then initial should come like that. As add days. Okay, add days and something error is there. So click here. Forbidden value 3 for parameter. Full null initial. Okay. So let me add this one in the capital letters because this is a single quotation. So initial, now it is okay, fine. Click on activate button. If it is any error comes, then null value initial, I mean, nothing will come here. Activate and execute it. So here, so this is invalid data. We need to consider this one. So 10/10 and 2020 is there. If we add a 35 days to this date, then 14th November 2020 is coming. And if we add 35 days, this one. Okay, so for this one, so 06/02 and 2021 is coming. So this is the way to add the days. In the same way, if you want to add something months, so then also dots add months, shift enter, and the day is AUDAT, and the months is I want to add something 14 months, and the initial. as add month. Activate it, execute this view, come here, sales document number 1 and 2, and we see here. So for that, this is the 10th month, and it is adding something. Here I am adding 14 months. Okay. So for 14 months, this is the 10th month, and if we add the 14 months for this, for this 10th month, and it is going to the next year, okay, 2021, and the 12/10 like that it is showing here. Okay, and coming to this one also, it is adding something 14 months. The actual date is 02/01/2021. It is adding 14 months here. So it is going to the next year. Okay, 02/03/2020, is coming here. 2022 is coming here. So this is the way to add the days and months and calculate the days in between of two dates. Okay, so these all are some functions. Okay? Some functions. And in the next class, we will discuss about annotations. So what is the annotation? In the first class we have discussed. Annotation is an activity. It is one particular work. Here, ABAP catalog.sql view. This is one annotation. By using this annotation, we are saving the SQL view in the database layer. Okay, so that is the purpose. Okay, that is the purpose. And here end user text is there. Okay, so this is one more annotation. And what is the use of this one? So by using this annotation, we are providing the description for this view. Okay, and I am adding something here. Something instead of testing, I am adding a conversion. Currency conversion, I'm maintaining it here. And activate it and open the SQL view. I'm clicking on the SQL view name and clicking on the F3 button. It will go to the DDIC SC11. Here we can see the currency conversion. The description is coming here, right? So by using this annotation, the description is coming. Okay, so that is one particular work. That is one particular job. So a few annotations are there, and the remaining annotations, yeah, automatically a few annotations are coming. Something compiler, okay, filter and preserve key and authorization check. So we will discuss these all things in the next class. Okay, we will discuss a few more annotations. Okay then, bye. Jai Hind.